My name is Zeke, and I'm a part of the jury.
Your Honor, I intend to show you the injustices in the nationwide school phone ban, why it affects us so extremely, and what needs to be done to right this blatant despotism and neglect to represent those who would be affected by the ban.
Your Honor, we're here to refute the abhorrent claims that they whine about and feel so impelled to tell us, and hopefully be out of this courtroom by lunch.
Abhorrent claims? Please, Mr. Pubert, please explain how this is such a horrible manner.
Mr. Orson, there is no doubt that phones were a huge distraction to students' education. This can lead to students feeling less educated and can slow down the advancement of America as a whole.
So what I'm hearing is that cell phone use has been relinquished for all students due to distractions. Is this correct, Pubert?
Yes, that is correct, Your Honor.
What is your reasoning for this attempt at the removal of this law regarding the banning of cell phones?
We wish to redress this law because we believe that if students do not want to learn, they will find other ways to distract themselves. So removing cell phones means that they will resort to other things to entertain themselves, which may lead to fights, an increase in bullying, or destruction of property.
King Skidmore, sir. What are your thoughts on this matter?
I believe that the cell phone ban is justified due to the fact that the students have been using these cell phones to cheat and distract themselves from the educational journey. Cell phones also hinder other learning capabilities.
You both have compelling arguments, but do you have any evidence to back up your claims? Let's start with the defendant.
It has been a proven fact that an estimated 75% of all students use their phones for non-educational purposes. Also, your previously mentioned argument about how not having access to cell phones during school can lead to bullying is completely false. This is because phone usage in school actually increases cyberbullying and other acts of violence.
Now to the plaintiffs.
Not having access to cell phones during school hours can actually jeopardize students. This is because without cell phones, students will not be endowed with their unalienable rights due to the fact that this law is the usurpation of their phones.
Another downside of this ban is the lack of resources to properly enforce such a harsh ban.
What are you implying when you say that?
I am implying that you lack the ability to rule correctly.
Not in my courtroom. I will hold you contempt of court.
You are crown ungrateful for all that my crown has done for the people of this land.
Order in the court.
Phones are inestimably important in the learning space. In case of emergencies, students can be used to call for help or call home.
The ruling of this land has been very perfidious. They have usurped our rights without even giving us a chance.
My ruling has been passed down from generation to generation, and your fathers and grandfathers had no issue with it then.
Objection! Hearsay!
Sustained.
Well, I didn't even come up with the rule. I just signed my name, so don't blame me.
Your Honor, this time spent in the courtroom has only further proven our points that the phone ban laws are unjustifiable and incredibly unfair to the people they affect.
I think I've heard enough. I find in order of the plaintiff that the law regarding cell phone use in school is
Cohort helper, Eosai Tefra, was born in Ethiopia, and we met him on Roblox. He's so cool, isn't he? I love Eosai Tefra, and I love his petulant demands. Eosai makes our day brighter. He's a bum who barely goes to work and sits on the game all day instead of going to get that check like a grown 18-year-old man should.